Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send money from Cash App to a Chime account. To begin, you'll need to link your Chime account or card to your Cash App. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap the user icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings page. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Linked Banks. Tap on this option to manage your linked accounts. To add Chime, select the option to Link a Bank or Link a Card. Enter the necessary details for your Chime account or card, such as the routing number and account number if linking a bank, or the card details if linking a Chime card. Once you've entered the details, confirm them. After successfully linking the Chime account or card, it will appear under the Linked Banks section. Now you're ready to send money from Cash App to Chime. Return to the home screen of the Cash App. On the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see your Cash App balance displayed. Tap on it to access your banking page. On this page, you'll see options like Add Cash and Cash Out. To send money to your Chime account, select the Cash Out option. Next, input the amount you'd like to transfer. Make sure the amount doesn't exceed your current Cash App balance. Once you've entered the desired amount, confirm the transfer by selecting the Chime account as the destination for the funds. You'll also have the option to choose a transfer speed. If you select an instant transfer, there may be a small fee, while a standard transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days but is free. After confirming the transfer, your money will be sent from Cash App to your Chime account. You can repeat this process whenever you need to move funds. If you ever decide to unlink the Chime account from Cash App, you can do so by revisiting the Linked Banks section in your settings. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Send Money from Cash App to Chime account problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.